Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
This is Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now, Schaeffer Oil has been around for 182 years. Aaron, that's the oldest company doing this in the United States, is that correct?
That's correct. We've been around since 1839. We're the oldest lubricant manufacturer in the United States. Schaeffer actually got its start in soap and candles, but one of the byproducts from that was making grease and oil for the wagon wheels and for the steam engines. Since then, as the soap and candle business sort of died down and World War II happened, we started getting into lubricants full-time. That's when Schaeffer really became the company that we know today. Our focus today is quality lubricants, high-performance lubricants for different industries, construction, manufacturing, agriculture, diesel performance, racing. Anything that spins or turns and needs lubrication, we have it. There's several different ways to get our product. The first is going to the website, schaefferoil.com, going to the Buy Now button, and purchasing smaller quantities, case goods, 5-gallon buckets. There's also, you can get direct from the factory representative that can steer you to the right products, 55-gallon drums, totes, whatever you need. And finally, you can go to a local retailer. And if your local retailer does not carry Schaeffer products, have them give us a call.
How does a company that old continue to evolve successfully with the times?
Well, we've stayed true to our purpose. You know, we've committed to staying family-owned and American-made. We manufacture all of our products in-house so we can control the quality of it.
Well, let's talk about quality and let's talk about products with our good friend Rick. And Rick, what'd you bring for show and tell to the class today?
As Aaron mentioned, we have a lot of products. They're all high-quality products, but a couple of them we wanted to share with you guys. The first one here is our Penetro 90. It's a high-performance penetrating oil. A great thing about our penetrating oil is it is an oil-based penetrating lube, so it won't dry out. It will actually stay moist. It will penetrate rust, any corrosion. Safe to use on tap and die sets, electric motors. It just has a lot of general uses. It's a must-have for any garage.
Moving on down the line there, some oil as well, engine oil?
It used to be, everybody put 1030 in everything. Didn't matter what it was, it got 1030. Those times have changed, as we all know. Clearances are tighter. So now everything is vehicle specific as far as viscosity grades, detergent packages and everything like that. At Schaeffer's, we have a wide variety of oils for different applications. 530s for your automotive vehicles, 1540s for your diesel applications, 540s for your diesel applications, the full synthetics, and then as well as 2050s for your racing, your motorcycles, and things of that nature.
Whenever you have moving parts, of course, grease comes into play.
Sure.
And you guys cover that as well at Schaeffer.
Yes, we have a very good selection of grease available depending on the application. If it's farming, agriculture, racing, one grease doesn't necessarily fit all. There is some that can do a lot, but there is certainly some greases that have better applications than others.
This is really cool. This is the Citrol. Tell us what that does.
So the Citrol is a degreaser we have. It's a great product. It's non-toxic, so you can spray it and use it on places, your engine, that's going to remove any grease, oil, stains, things like that. The good part is, it smells great. It smells like oranges. It's not like your typical degreaser hazardous material where, you open it up and it about knocks you over. It's a fantastic product and it works great.
And you're going to want to buy two because, ladies, if you're working in the garage, your husband's going to want some for in the house, too, for getting stains out of laundry and that kind of thing. So you knew about Schaeffer oil before you came to work at Schaeffer a number of years ago.
Yes.
What did you know about the company?
It was one of those products you've heard of but didn't understand a lot about it, didn't know why it was different. I do some mechanic work on the side. A local farmer actually had a tractor, a liner O-ring went out, so all of his coolant was going into his engine. So every morning he would drain a little oil out, which was coolant oil mix, and then put water back in it just to get him through the spring. And the discussion was that's going to ruin your engine. He said, I don't care, I got to get through, we'll replace it later. So that engine actually made it through the whole spring. Had Schaeffer's oil in it, and the blow-by tube, anything that was supposed to have oil in it looked like, a milkshake essentially from the coolant oil mix. But it was still running, and it still ran fine until the day we took it out. It was a real eye-opener that all oils aren't the same, the additive packages and the protection you get, that does make a difference.
And what is it like to represent a family-run company that has a quality product like that?
It's a great company. You never have to second guess if the quality's there or the people, because it's a tight-knit company where it's not big corporate where you don't know anybody. Everybody has the phone numbers to the people they need. They can get answers. They can get hold of people, and that means a lot, especially in today's world.
Schaeffer Oil's been making the highest quality lubricants for 182 years, and they've been doing it in the United States. You can find them at SchaefferOil.com, and there's a promotion code for our viewers. It's Motorhead10. You get 10% off at SchaefferOil.com. We'll be right back with Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. More slick stuff when we come back.